Welcome, today we're going to show you how to fix the copper cabe is not showing on Minecraft. So if you're having this issue, I'll see from here like this guy. So the copper cabe, even if you have it on your account, it won't show on your character. So if you're having this issue, the first thing that you can actually do is try to restart your game. After that, if this doesn't help, try to restart your device and see if that works with you. So if the issue is still there, you need to actually go to this link, Minecraft support. I'll see from here. So from here, you need to click on Minecraft help. And after that, you need to click on the need help, ask the support virtual agent. So this will open with you. You need to actually tell them that you want a live agent. So from here you need to submit a ticket. By submitting a ticket you need to fill in all of the information about the copper cabe and your account. And after that they will help you restoring the copper cabe and make it appear to you. So that's it. That's actually how you fix this issue. There's no other way to fix this issue but to contact the customer support of Minecraft. So that's it. Thank you for watching and see you in the next videos.